Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti and with me Shruti.
I am Shruti. Yes. Hi, Jojo. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. Much
Lovely.
better today. I have taken I have surrendered to the cold and said it's okay. Basically, I've got a heater now. So I have stopped being bold and saying कि अरे मैं बहुत strong हूँ, मैं heater के बिना जी सकती हूँ. नहीं, मैं नहीं जी सकती. I
Not
need
possible.
like external help. और यहाँ तो बारिश हो रही है. It's become super cold. So it's
And
crazy. Now I've just surrendered.
yeah, and where I am, it's not even that cold, and I've still caught a cold. And my friends are like, "How did you survive in Delhi?" I was like, "Because I used to sit in front of the heater all winter. That's how I survived." So I know your pain right now.
Right? Chalo, good. So, what are we
Okay.
reacting to today? I'm
Um,
fully ready.
we are continuing our journey in
Whose journey?
In
I,
Tadipar
we are,
with Mr. Stan.
nice,
You know,
nice.
we
Ha,
must.
ha.
So we left it off at 307, where the whole jail thing
Yeah,
happened, and it made us
yeah,
angry to see how they kind of treated him. Um,
yeah.
from what I've seen in the comments since that reaction is that like he was involved in this sort of fight thing with some influential
Yeah.
people. That's why they were able to put this case on him and keep him behind bars for that many months or weeks, however long it
Okay.
was. But
Okay.
then eventually he came out, and I think he proved himself innocent and things like that. Now this next song is called Number Kari, which
Okay.
apparently means friends, right? Best friends, homies, sort of thing. So this song, again, you guys kind of gave me a little info in the comment section. It's about how some of his friends turned their backs on him and that kind of stuff. So the
Oh.
description mein he's written number kari bolne meko sharam ari RIP homies. So that kind of
Actually, I
set the
have to be
tone.
honest about this. I've never heard number kari as a phrase, and
Same
usually, yeah, I've never heard it before. So I was just like number kari, okay, but makes sense. So if it's more like वो मेरा number दो है, वो वैसे जो बात करते हैं, I think number
here.
kari must be something of that sort. Okay.
Yeah, it's all slang, and you and I are getting introduced to a lot of new words thanks to him. Um,
Yes.
so keep the subtitles on, and
Okay.
let's get into this song.
Yes.
Ready?
So count me down. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. One, two, three, play.
Peace out, bitch. अरे क्या अभी क्या कर रही क्या माचू ते हर टाइम मिट्टी में जमा क्या ओए क्या
Like this beat.
मिला बन करके अभी गलन की सुचंदन पे सनमन में बसता नहीं हंसता नहीं उसके पीछे वजह में काट रही लस्सा नंबर कारी हगा माँ बाप सिफाते इधर को नहीं है सगा ऐसा क्यों लगा एंडिंग में बोलेगा तुम्हें तुम सब आगा चौकी में फुटते कॉप्स को देख के तुम चड्डी में मुद्दे क्यों लगा डाला स्क्रू मेरा टूट गया क्रू मेरे होमिस बचे ले फ्यू में लगा कर फ्यू बाकी सब चुत के नाद में बुद्ध के नाद में खुद के नाद में खुद किताब में माने पास में कौन ने साथ में दुख होता मेरे को इंडिया का सिंधी है किसके हाथ में इसके हाथ में उसके हाथ में चल 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 जमात में दिल का पार्ट में तेरा प्यार मेरे साथ में आज की रात में बात की बात में धूम्रपान में गुंजरा कान में रैपर रहेंगे मेरे को नहीं सुना तूने बॉम्बे में रह कर मैं रिप कर रहा पुणे टी पाई मेरे को मेरा पुणे में खूने होंडे हम लोग फुल जूने तुम लोग ने अच्छे से नहीं सुने पी टाउन पुणे स्टेशन के पीछे देख नीचे देख ताड़ी वाला रोड डालना फिर टोल बोल उसको किसको मत बोल 2 मिनट का लैविश फिर वापस से झोल किसको मत कोल वापस से मिलने वाला दुनिया फुल गोल भटकी मेरी सोल हुड़की ले चोर बुरा मत देख किसका बुरा मत सोच पुलो पैन अप 2 लाख की थग लाइफ ते सगड़ सोड आज पण तू शेमड़ा काय तेरी बोल तू नहीं अनमोल ते को आता नहीं रोल पसंद नहीं ते को वो पे मेरे बोल तेरा गुनहगारी गोल मैंने दे डाला छोड़ तू चेंज करता विषय में विषय करता को चले तेरे घर पे चल फोटो शूट तेरे घर पे कर घर वाले बोले हफ्ते भर इसलिए मैं हफ्ते भर तक के नंबर कारी बोलने में को शर्म आ रही है हमारी टीपी जारी जानकारी माँ मेरी जानकारी पब्लिक मेरे पे कार खारी चलने की बात सारी गाल साड़ी राइड में शामिल तो इज्जत पे बात आ रही भोक मारी पुलिस ने अभी तक माँ कसम बहुत मारी कंबर में पाल कर रेके पर सरकारी उड़ते उड़ते बात आ रही पब्लिक में को उचकारी बिचकारी ये लोग सब पिचकारी माँ सिर्फ एक ही लड़की लोग के आ रही जा रही दर धरी छोड़ी जा रही पब्लिक अपनी चायकारी भर की पब्लिक विलेनकारी अपनी पब्लिक विमलकारी उनके वजह से चिमड़ी लड़की भावकारी बचकानी शॉर्टकारी बचकानी मौत मरी पुलिस ने कॉट करी हथकड़ी आज सड़ी ते को लग रहा बात बड़ी लेकिन इधर बात बड़ी ऐ फनी नाउ मनी कैश मनी बोले तो खंडनी अंबानी बोंडे तू समझा नहीं कंपनी के साथ मत कर तू मश्करी दूसरे दिन तेरा रस भरी मश्करी में मर गए कितने लोग 302 याद रखो मेरा कुछ नहीं मैं 6 महीने काटेगा वापिस से आके मैं तेरे शूटर मारेगा तू बोला गैंगस्टर मैं बोला घर पे जा कैसे क्या मानेगा कौन नहीं मारेगा खुद तेरा आखिर में तेरा नंबर कारी ते को मारेगा
Mm. Did you get what he was saying at the end?
No, that was in
It's
fact I was
kind
about to
of
ask you that it was so subdued कि मेरे को like उसका वो caption भी नहीं आ रहा था और सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा था कि क्या है.
yeah.
So
So that
good.
guys, if you know, comment and tell us. But
His music videos are like little pieces of art, like it's
mm,
artwork,
mm, mm,
and
mm.
everything is so interconnected. Like it's
Yeah,
just
we have to talk about the visuals and the video, but I have to say that you can appreciate MC Stan's music best on headphones. Like the different sound effects I'm getting in the cans is like I'm transported to another world, and he's used so
yeah.
many effects. You will not get them on speakers. It has to be heard with a good pair of headphones on. But oh my god, um, like
कहाँ
I've
से शुरू करें?
yeah,
Let's pick one. Let's pick one thing because there are many things. Like I like
you go,
yeah.
you go first. Let's
पहले
talk
कहाँ
about the
lyrics से
music.
बात करें? Oh, let's
Yeah.
talk about the music. Okay. Firstly, I loved the way the beat dropped right in the start. The way
Mm.
the beat dropped to set the tone of the entire song as to how it's a very internal thing. It is also what is happening after what we've already seen in his life. It's a very internal thing that he's gone through something and now I literally got the visual that he's in a warp hole now. In that warp, now inside his head, friends have left him. He's gone through like a very strong thing that's happened in his life. And now he's begun thinking and reevaluating life and the way, and that was coming across in his hairdo, as we've discussed earlier. It's coming across in his body language, in his visuals that, he's picking. So
His head is
overall,
subdued, so he's in
and
his
strong.
head and in his thoughts.
Yeah, and yet they were like little buns, so it was all very strong as well, like
Controlled.
more controlled within himself, strong and thinking. And I think that's what
Yeah.
the whole feel of the song was completely also. Yeah, and okay, first you then tell, then we'll move on to the other stuff.
Yeah, so basically his video team is like amazing. They're definitely redefining music videos in a different like sort of league, which I
Yeah.
think has not been seen in in Desi hip
I
hop
agree.
or in the country, just in general, in any sort of genre. I don't think these kind of videos have really come out.
I completely
Maybe I'm
agree.
wrong.
It's
I haven't
artwork.
seen others, but these are in a league of their own. So,
Yeah.
like, full props to the video crew as always. Video designed by No Filter. So, I mean,
It's
you guys are,
storytelling talking with that.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
complete storytelling with the medium of video.
Director Vaibhav Patil, like you guys are raising the bar with each video and setting new standards. That's what I'll say. How much of the input is from him? I mean, of course, there must be a lot, but just technically the crew and the ideation and I don't know the different shots, just him sort of hop, skip, jumping on
Hopscotching. Yeah.
the zebra crossing,
Yeah.
the entire the
Up
crew
and
in the
down.
room, and then he's alone in
Yeah.
the room, and then the whole like, the whole like revolving camera angle thing made me feel
Yeah.
like we're going round and round in his head and his thoughts. Like there's just so much going on in every shot. That you've got to watch it a few times, and these are just first impressions after seeing it once.
Correct.
So
The
we,
time when he was going round, when
yeah,
that whole, when the camera was going completely panning up and down,
yeah,
that time, you remember how the previous videos that we saw, the two distinct movements that stuck out in both those videos, one was when he was hanging upside down,
yeah,
and the other one was when he was sitting crouched on top of a car.
yeah.
And then they took different perspectives. In this, they used both those things back to back. And it
Mm,
kind of, you were saying that it's taking you in his head. To me, it took me back to his both those videos as well. So
mm,
the common thread that they've kept running through the through his videos, it's phenomenal. It's
yeah,
phenomenal.
yeah. I think it also comes the sort of when you're on set and you're shooting, you kind of also play along with the artist saying, okay, in this shot this is what I was thinking when I was writing these lines. So then I think he kind of comes back to those angles for that reason, right? So now coming to the music.
Music is where we started from. Like I loved the way the beat dropped right in the first frame. The way
Yeah.
the beat dropped and it suddenly set the mood entirely. So like I started, like, that's the one thing. Musically, will I listen to the song without the video? No, it's too
Mm,
intense.
mm,
Like it's too intense for me to listen. Or maybe if I do listen to it without the video, maybe it'll put me in a very different transy way of listening. So I will have
mm,
to experience that to know what impact that has on me. Right now the video was so overwhelming that musically music was adding to the video. तो सिर्फ
mm.
सिर्फ गाना as is क्या impact होगा with MC Standa? No, I can't say. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
So I can't. Yeah.
I mean, the thing is, he does his own music. So, like, this is my personal like feeling that he writes the lyrics and he doesn't call himself a rapper. Is what I've also seen in the comments. He says I'm an MC, so he just kind of says his lines, and then when he's sitting down to produce the track, then the music sort of follows his voice. And you can
Hmm.
see that in every track because I mean
Yep.
it's all got to be in here in one person's mind for it to flow so smoothly from one to the other. Sometimes it gets
Absolutely.
lost in translation when someone else is doing your music and you're just
Correct.
doing the lines. With his stuff, it's so seamlessly flowing, even though
Yeah.
there's so much going on. Like there's so many. It's like he must have sat down to do this song and he must have been like, "Kaun se sound effects dalne hain?" And then he must have just said yes, sub sub dal do. And how to use all those effects is all in here in his
Yeah.
brain.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if
It's
if
what he's
someone
feeling.
else, yeah, it's
Yeah.
if someone else is to mix this track, I feel it'll kind of be all over the place because there's
Yeah. The
so
vibe
much
won't come
going on.
across the way it is. So
Yeah,
true.
because
So
there's so much going on. So because it's all in his head, he knows exactly where what comes in, what flows into the next, where you'll have like background voices talking, where his lines come in, where the music will change when his flow changes. It's all yeah, you can I mean this is a
it's
very
so amazing.
complex track.
What you've just told me, yeah, I agree with you. It is so complex. And
Yeah.
what you've just said, I completely vibe with that. Especially the part where you're talking about that, how he says that he's just emceeing it. It makes sense because his entire production, it is so emotional that the
Mm,
music and the words and the lyrics
mm,
individually nahi, ikatthe, the way they are hitting you, it's like they are invoking an emotion out of you and pulling that emotion out of you. So it makes complete sense what you're saying.
Yeah.
Because lyrically, if we move on to discussing that, you know, if I hadn't been living in Bombay for the past 20 years, I don't think I would have got half the things he was talking, because
Yeah.
so many of the words
I
are
didn't get
so
a lot.
local.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I mean, there were words which I was listening and I was like, हाँ ये word मैंने पहली बार वहाँ सुना था. अच्छा ये वो. So now it seamlessly flows. Everything goes. I understood it, but yet it's such a, like, you know, there are poets, there are rappers who use one line after another and then mix and match the words and take out the meaning in those lines. With him, what I've noticed is he takes one emotion and he speaks the same emotion with maybe the help of 3, 4, sometimes 5 words, which actually mean the same thing, but he'll keep increasing the impact of the word. And that's how he's using poetry. Like
Yeah.
I
It's kind
noticed
of like
that.
how when we get angry, then we have different levels of words
Yeah,
that express
yeah,
the anger,
yeah,
with like
yeah.
the worst gali reserved for the most angry moment.
So he does
So
that.
yeah.
Yeah, you know, he won't like use the entire emotion and then give you one feel one after another lyrically. He will take the same line, usme 5-6 words, which all kind of mean the same thing. But it was very interesting. I noticed that for the first time today in his song,
Yeah.
that
But
he
I
does
also have
that,
to
and
say,
that's why
like, since you mentioned his slang, like this is very new slang and lingo for me, and it's clearly very P-town, because even like though I spent a couple of years living in Bombay, I did not hear a lot of these words, and I feel Bombay on its own is really a melting pot of so many different kinds of people from all over. You'll hear lesser Marathi in Bombay as compared to Pune or other cities, right?
yeah.
So yeah,
And
it's
considering he's
obviously
in Pune, it's more hardcore. Yeah,
it's more hardcore and it's more just kind of going over my head in many places, but luckily the subtitles are there. But no, also then since we're saying that he's doing a lot of Marathi slang and Pune slang, his flow is very effortless. Even if he's switching it up and he's
Whoa.
going from,
Yeah.
he's got little phrases in English, then he has a little Hindi, and then he moves into his slang. It's all very like, because this is the thing, when you grow up with a certain language, you think in that language,
Yeah.
and or you grow up with two languages, then you think in both the languages. So
Correct.
even in like when we speak English, we just effortlessly, without thinking or realizing, we are moving from Hindi to English. So he's doing
Correct.
that with his three languages that he's
Yes.
comfortable in. And it's not
Yes.
about like I want to write in slang, in Pune
Yeah.
slang, or I want to write in English, insert some English lines here. It's just how he would normally talk, or we would normally talk.
Exactly.
He's flowing in the same way in the Gaane ka lyrics. Now I really want to talk about his actual feeling and emotion and story that he's conveying in the song, which is
Yes.
"My friend stabbed me in the back, and I don't know who to trust anymore, and now I'm left with no one around me. Like they're all
Yeah.
gone. Homies have
Yeah, they were scared of the cops and they ran
departed."
away. And while he was inside the jail, nobody probably, no one came to his rescue. That was
Yeah,
his starting, feel.
I
And especially in
mean,
the previous songs, when we've seen ke wo, they're all chilling and they're all being very like into each other's lives. So from that, coming to a part where he's feeling कि सब इकट्ठे रह रहे हैं, इकट्ठे म्यूजिक बना रहे हैं, इकट्ठे सब कुछ हो रहा है, to now when there is nobody,
mm,
it's very
he's like,
drastic.
I saw the people who will be with me when the times are tough, and when I'm down, will they come and put themselves on the line to help me, or will they just run away? So
Yeah,
I feel like the place he's writing it from is like he's clearly saying RIP homie. So he's like, you're not welcome back in my life. Like I'm done with you.
yeah,
And it's like I mean, we've all been there. We've all lost friends in our own life journeys.
yeah.
So we
It's
kind of
part of
know
growing
how
up.
it's part of growing up, and it kind of helps you separate the wheat from the chaff, right? You kind of
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
know who belongs in your life and who doesn't after certain things happen. So
Correct.
it's very impactful, this song, in that sense of
Yes.
him putting out how he feels after
So
being
how
let
long,
down.
and I want to know how long back did this song come and like how many
It
months,
is
years?
oh, that's strange, it doesn't say the date here, but I mean this whole album is this year. Let me just
Huh.
check.
Last year, you mean? Huh.
Oh, sorry, 2020.
Aadat.
1 month ago. Number Kari released 1 month ago, it says.
Okay,
So
it's okay.
probably early December or something.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So he's just so here's the thing. This album is his journey with what happened to him with that
Yeah.
whole case and the
Yeah.
different lessons he learned along the way through it. So one was how, and I think Ek Din Pyar, I kind of at least misunderstood it. It was not it was not on the romantic side. He was basically talking about how the janta who listens to him एक दिन प्यार करते हैं, एक दिन hate करते हैं, and then फिर से प्यार करते हैं, फिर से. So he was like, you guys are confusing me. You can't decide if you love me or hate me. That's what he was saying. And even the girlfriends who
Yeah.
come into my life, they're like, how do you deal with all this hate? So that's
Yeah.
kind of where it was. So this is basically that whole like his journey as an artist and his journey with the events
And him
of his
coming of
life so
age.
far. Him
Yeah,
coming of
yeah.
age, yeah. So let's see where it ends because we still have Amin, which released 2 weeks ago, and then we still have the title track 30 Par, which released on 31st December. So
So थोड़ा ही पहले रिलीज हुआ है, कोई नहीं, हम तो ये देख लेंगे.
we are not that late to this game, to this
No,
party.
and also the thing is that this journey is like eternal, right? Like it doesn't matter kab dekho, more. I mean, it's a fact of MC Stan's life, and he's expressing it, and we are watching it, and that's why
Mm,
we love him for it.
mm.
So yeah, it's lovely.
So, but yeah, you're right. This is not a song I will just listen to without
Yeah.
looking at the video because the video is conveying most of what he's trying to say really well, and
Very
it's
well.
too heavy a song for me to just listen to um on my own unless I'm in that
Also,
kind of mood where I'm like,
yeah,
screw y'all,
huh.
I'm
But you
done
never
with you.
know. Maybe if we listen to it separately without the
Maybe.
video, some of the elements might come out where we'll be like, oh, like, pata nahi. And also with
Maybe.
him, did you notice how he was much better groomed in this one? And now I've started noticing that in every video. अब ये मेरे दिमाग में वो सुई अटक गई है. Now I'm like
The
watching out
styling grooming
everything.
सुई ना, हाँ
Yes,
उस पे
yes.
हम लंबी बात करेंगे. I have ideas for this discussion, this topic. But
Good.
no, so I'm going to test it in my car because my car is my sort of like makeshift studio listening experience where I can be alone and take the music in. So I will listen to it in my car and then decide, is this something I can have in a
But
regular
MC Stan,
playlist?
we love you. We love you.
I'm still getting there, but
He's an artist, man. He's a true artist. And
yeah,
अंदर से
that's
उसका जो
more than
artist वाला
evident.
I love like वो जो real वाले artists होते हैं ना, even if you hate them, you love them. So which is why I तो love him. Like I'm already like,
There's no hate. I'm just I really admire his music sensibilities,
yeah,
and
yeah.
want to see how this journey moves ahead in the next 2 tracks. Guys, keep patience, and we'll be back with the next one soon.
अब मैं slowly कर रही हूँ. Okay, bye. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.
Bye.